I say let's go under here.
Hey guys, I got a new hat. Let me know what you think. It's got like a little cape thing. I think they might like it. It's a dope hat.
I am a Viking.
Oh, this smells weird.
It smells like metal.
I was born in the wrong era. This is more me. This is my lifestyle. For sure.
With your helmet connected to the ceiling.
Yeah. I feel like a puppet actually. Whoa. Whoa.
Are you Casey Neistat? Are you Peter McKinnon?
Jenna Marbles. Jenna Marbles.
Are you Jake?
Walking around.
Please. It's everyday, bro.
It's everyday, bro, with the Disney Channel flow.
Spring break. SB18 guys. What's up? You guys want to go to grandma's house or something? Yeah. Oh yeah, see? I will lead the way.
Oh, stop stealing my shit.
Stop stealing my content.
He's ready to go biking.
Me. Back off. I was here first. Here first. That audio's gonna be trash.
This is my outfit for school
Nice.
tomorrow.
No, that's not tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday.
On the way to class.
To sing on.
Do you have anything exciting that you want to say, Dr. Thomas?
I just could not be happier than here in Iceland with my favorite students.
I'll update you at the next sign of life.
I'm not here. I'm not here.
Interesting. Who's holding the camera? Who's that sitting next to you?
You're hallucinating.
I have hallucination if you're the only one alive.
Something mysterious happened to me apparently, so Lincoln had to take over my vlog. So she's been the new narrator of what's going on.
It's taken a darker tone, but I think that was, the original direction that Haley wanted. So I'm honoring her. Inspired by the song, really. Yes.
That's just where my creative vision seems to go apparently. Kind of just where it ends up, and I just kind of follow it.
Sometimes I start a sentence. I don't know where I'm going to end it, but I'll find it along the way. Period.
Totally realized what's happening. Alright, you can tell us a life story now.
I made a good face too and you missed it.
That's
But you have plenty other Casey facial expressions.
right there, that might be filming.
It's not about bigger, but it means your support has to be broader than just concentrated in one spot.
Okay, I see.
See, it spreads, it makes it spread out across more stage. And that means you have to get rid of the stage.
Okay, okay.
So it means you have to have broader appeal to the president, just like you have to have broader athletic.
Did you have it at...
One starting picture can really feel
I got it.
You gotta have five.
Is this gonna make it on the blog? Yeah, it says beat.
I'm happy to take another.
My ex-man brought his new girlfriend. She's like, oh my gosh. I just wanna shake it to that fella over there with the hella good hair. Won't you come on over, baby? We can shake, shake, shake. Yeah. It's gonna play, 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 play.
The next day.
Just wearing a sparkly shirt. Fashion first. Fashion first.
I need some new facial expressions. I feel like
I've seen things for the gram. I'm sure we have it.
So here we have like a small little column that comes back right there.
You guys can be friends too and walk down.
Yeah, you guys can walk down together.
Oh my god.
Where's the focus?
Wait.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
I believe.
Do something. Dab. Yeah. I'm a vlogger, guys.
You're a vlogger?
Yep. The vlog. I can't see. The vlog has been stolen. Hold up. Let me flip. Caroline. The vlog has been. Ooh. There we go.
My vlog.
Yeah, stole it.
It's kind of rude.
It's mine now.
That's fine. You can edit it.
What?
You can have fun editing this.
No, you can edit it. I don't want to edit it.
Sometimes all you gotta do is dab on the haters, cause it's your boy. Casey, I really like your new glasses.
Thank you.
Might be a little big for your face though.
I don't think so.
You're right. If they're sunglasses, they're definitely not doing their job, because you're putting your eyes in the one place they're supposed to. So we may or may not have missed our bus like a few minutes ago, but we're walking back to the City Center, killing the game,
Story on your vlog?
killing the
Is
game.
that finally some story on your vlog?
Hey guys, I finally decided to talk to you. We walking, making our way downtown, walking fast, faces pass as I'm homebound. But yeah, we'll make it eventually. Wish us luck. Alright, I'm on the lake. It's frozen. We live in. Thanks for coming out, guys. Oh yeah.
Jesus or nah?
That's how I see you.
Let me tell you guys a story.
Let's get this in focus right for mountains.
So yeah, we tried to go to dinner the other night. We were really just being innocent Beaumont kids looking for some food. And we did a little Google and we looked up places around us. And instead of a burger shop that we thought we were going to, you know what we ended up going to? A vape shop. We went to a vape shop.
Vape Nation!
And you know, I'm still not over it. It's been about 2 days now, and I'm really just not over it. I really wanted that burger. We had to settle for pizza. I don't really like pizza. That's my story, the end. Hey. Going good?
Getting some good vlog content?
I think so. I'm telling a story.
Yeah, I'm working on it. I got cool shots, so.
Hey, you have a drone, so.
It's the truth. Maybe I'll take it off. Alright, y'all, we are headed to the airport. It's 4:45. Third time I've had to get up by 4:45 to get to an airport this week. JD's coughing. We're all tired. It's cold. Iceland's been great. I don't want to leave.
More like Iceland.
Am I right, ladies?
And put it back in.
Oh, that's why I already played this game with another partner. Winner! I win! Nobody else even tried. Nope. Not as fun like that.
You're very close to my face right now.
Thanks, guys.
Got him.
Hey, you know what? You're gonna get some tape out of it. Hey, they saved us.
Alright, y'all, we're about to leave Iceland. We're gonna get on the plane, and I don't want to go. We gotta go. Anyways, we're flying into JFK. It's gonna be like 6 hours. We're gonna arrive, time difference, like an hour later. So we're leaving at 8, and we're gonna get there at 9. So that's a thing. Then we'll fly to Atlanta, and then we'll fly home, and then I will go to bed. Okay, see you soon.
I can't believe you've done this.
We're here in Atlanta.
Hey, boy.
We made it to Atlanta. Anyways,
Harmony.
we do you want to get in the shot? This outro shot. So we flew from Iceland to New York, and that was like 6 hours. Then we went through customs, and that took a long time. And I'm out of focus, but it's fine. And then we flew from New York to Atlanta, and that's where we are now. Now we gotta chill here for like another like 2.5 hours, and then we're going home. And I can shower, and I can sleep, and I'll be happy. And then we go to school tomorrow. We're gonna write all our papers and get A's on these presentations.
Right, Maggie?
We're gonna get A's on all these presentations. We're all gonna write our papers and get A's on these presentations.
I'm not committing.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm not committing.
She's not the one grading my paper, so we're good.
I never commit.